Critical appreciation of the novel Untouchable by Mulk Raj Anand. Untouchable is one of the first greatest novels of Mulk Raj Anand. The novel is the magnum opus of Anand. The plot of the novel is well planned and compact. It has a cognate beginning, well knit work of art characterized by precision of words, a well sustainable middle and successful end. Mulkraj Anand, a prolific writer, has written more than a dozen novels and all have brought him national and international acclaim from writers as well as critics. In this novel, he has focused on pre-independence Indian society divided into the caste, Hindus, and the untouchables. Mulk Raj Anand made his novel a canvas for painting the pictures of most glaring social evils that includes untouchability, fantasism, sexual waywardness, hypocrisy, poverty, and child abuse. Anand has a soul of reformer. His zeal to reform the society and liberate it from all evils. Untouchable is a sociological novel which seeks to stress evils of untouchability by focusing attention on the miserable plight, suffering, poverty, and degradation of a large section of Indian society. In this story, Untouchable gives an account of a single day in the life of Bhaka, sweeper boy of 18 and the central figure in the novel. Bhaka's day begins with abuses by his father and his encounter with the high caste people. His father, his father Lakha, the Jamdar of the sweepers, first of all ill treats him by asking him in the early hours of the cold morning to go out to clean latrines as Havaldar calls. Get up, oh you Bakha, oh son of a pig, get up and attend to the latrines or the sepoy will be angry. Bakha jumps out of the bed to begin his work of cleaning latrines, then follows the scene of Sohini, the sister of Bakha, goes to the well to fetch water so that she may prepare tea for her brother and father, who are suffering of hunger. Sohini has to wait for water until an upper caste member comes to fill their pitcher. Mulk Raj Anand is basically a champion of downtrodden and underprivileged people. He has always been conscious of the need to help and raise the untouchables, the peasants and the coolies and other suppressed members of society. The hero is simultaneously a rebel and victim. He protests and represents against the closeness of caste Hindus. As a tradition follower, he is an idealist and cannot think of going against society. As Anand declares, I meant to create the lives of the million of untouchable through a single person, Bakha. Anand has used this chapter as a symbolic instrument to protest exploitation and injustice. He, he has also condemned and disproved the inhuman caste system. Thus, as a matter of fact, Anand's novel Untouchable and Coolie reflect the social protest and resentment and have exposed the hypocrisy of the caste Hindus who boast of their nobility and blue blood. Anand is neither biased nor favored the social pariah. He is craving to reform Hindu society and abolish inequitable injustice and a and oppressive caste system. As E.M. Foster says that it is a devilish system which could have been contrived only by man, the animal being incapable for devising such an infernal system. Thank you. For more video on English literature, subscribe my channel.